Site
Yes.
restoration, I don't have.
For what?
For site restoration, I don't have.
You
For
don't
the
have site.
demobilization audit, we have.
In that demobilization audit, you have site restoration in there. Please go and read ST05 and see it. Okay. MS ST05. Go and look at it. There is site restoration there.
So we are going to use the same demobilization audit checklist.
You can take only the site restoration. I didn't say the whole demobilization. There is site specific requirement there. Just look at that requirement. If it is complete, take only that.
Okay, specific for this section. Okay.
Yeah, because if we don't close it and later, we cannot go back again. That's what I'm saying. We need to close that section for harmonic
Actually,
substation 9. The one will go to 10 to close the entire project. That's the way it is.
but harmonic is still not completed. Huh? It will take time, maybe
Leave
for 1 year.
harmonic, we are still logging into substation 10, and that's what is agreed, right?
Yeah, they have to confirm with them.
Yeah, the team, that's what we are agreeing now.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Asik, can you give some dictation? Can you put your recommendation in the chat box? I will review and put it here because this is an important point.
Yeah, and
Since we are not closing the project,
Volo said this. Which document we need to follow?
Site restoration.
Site restoration.
Contractor shall be
Site restoration
conducted. Site restoration
to be
audit shall be
conducted and signed off.
conduct,
Site
right?
res-
Conduct.
Yes, to be conducted. Yeah.
To be conducted and signed off by the concerned party.
Conduct site registration audit. Right. Conduct CONDUCT.
Conduct the site registration audit and signed off by the concerned party.
Okay. So EPC contractor will initiate and
Asher, please excuse me. I mean, what are we exactly talking about other than the electrical part?
Other than electrical part, like what they are telling us, sir, less scrap materials or below the cellar
Sorry?
areas, scrap materials below cellar area, everything needs to be removed from inside the substation. If anything we have installed before and we have to remove that also.
Yeah, but that's
Then,
still electrical. I mean, are we really talking about something else now?